In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable UPI in WP Travel Engine for the year 2025. Setting this up is an essential step for facilitating smooth and flexible payment options for your customers. So let's dive right into it and ensure your travel site is ready to accept payments via UPI. We'll start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, the place from which you can manage your entire website, including adding and configuring plugins. Once you've logged in, navigate your way to the WP Travel Engine section of your dashboard. From there, go to Settings and scroll down to the Payment options. This is where you'll manage all your payment settings. Now check if UPI is already listed as a payment option. If it isn't available, don't worry. You'll need to install a compatible UPI payment plugin that integrates with your site. Some popular choices include Razorpay and Paytm, known for their reliability and compatibility with a variety of platforms. Once you've chosen a plugin, the next move is to install and activate it. You can easily do this straight from your dashboard. Simply go to the plugin section, click on Add New, find your chosen UPI plugin, install it, and then activate it. This will enable the plugin on your site, making it possible to configure and use. With your plugin up and running, it's time for configuration. Access the settings interface for your UPI plugin. Here, you can enter crucial information such as your merchant ID or key. These credentials are typically provided to you by the payment service provider you've chosen. Additionally, input your UPI ID, which is essential for directing the payments correctly to your account. Before going live, consider enabling test mode. Test mode allows you to simulate payments to ensure everything is functioning as expected without processing any real transactions. This step is vital for troubleshooting potential issues without financial risk. After thoroughly testing in test mode, head back to the WP Travel Engine settings under the Payment tab and save all your adjustments. Ensuring that everything is saved properly guarantees that your setup will persist through any changes you might make to other parts of the site. Finally, it's time to test the system with a dummy booking. By creating a test transaction, you can verify that UPI payments are processed smoothly and that both you and your customers have the expected user experience. This final step is crucial to ensure an effortless booking experience for your clients. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled UPI payments on your WP Travel Engine. You are now well on your way to offering a seamless payment experience on your travel booking site. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more content like this. Happy travels!